Start your computations. I think we're getting into a weird area here.
For my breakfast, I'm having oats with some muesli topped with grapes, dried strawberries, apples, almond, and a tablespoon of Nutella to make it more sweet. I'm done with my breakfast, and now it's time for me to log in and take up my online classes and see if I have any upcoming tests or assignments. So I'm just gonna go and take a look. For lunch, I'm having rice, spinach, and kofta curry that is made out of lentils. It's 3:30 p.m. and I'm super bored. I've got nothing to do. My parents are not here. So I'm thinking of baking some oatmeal cookies. 2 bananas, 2 cups of rolled oats, 1 cup of chocolate chips, and this is 80 grams of peanut butter and half a tablespoon of vanilla extract. My cookies are ready. Ta-da! Wow, I can't wait to eat it. So good. These are the cookies I made. I'm so happy that I made this. so much for watching the video. It was kind of hard filming it without the camera. I filmed it with my cell phone without any stand or tripod, but I really had fun filming it. Talking about the meal, I really enjoyed having dinner, that is salad, and my cookies, that was for snack, because I hardly eat salad, and when I mixed it with chicken and mayo, it turned out to be super delicious. I'm definitely gonna eat it again. The cookies that I made was kind of delicious. Like, it was my first time baking and it turned out pretty good. So I definitely recommend you guys to try and make this snack, because if you are in need of making something real quick, then this might be easy for you and you will not be disappointed. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel down below, and I hope you guys are well. Take care. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.